Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about graphical user interfaces. Graphical user interfaces, GUIs, serve as visual representations of software, enabling user interaction through windows, icons, buttons, and other graphical elements. They enhance user experience by simplifying interactions compared to command line interfaces. GUIs commonly utilize a mouse cursor for navigating and engaging with on-screen elements. For instance, in a web browser, users can click on buttons and links to browse web pages, demonstrating the convenience and intuitiveness of GUIs in everyday computing tasks. Graphical user interfaces, GUIs, consist of various elements like windows, menus, buttons, text fields, labels, and images. Windows serve as containers for elements like buttons and text fields and can be adjusted in size and position on the screen. Buttons are interactive elements that execute actions when clicked, like submitting a form or closing a window. For instance, in a software application, a user can click a Save button on a form to store entered data, or click an Exit button to close the application window. Python offers various libraries for developing graphical user interfaces, GUIs, with popular options including Tkinter, PyQt, and wxPython. Among these, Tkinter is a widely used GUI library that is pre-installed with standard Python installations. An elementary Tkinter example involves creating a window featuring a button. This is achieved by importing the Tkinter module, creating a root window with tk.tk, defining a button within the window using tk.button, specifying the button's text content, adding the button to the window via pack, and initiating the GUI event loop with main loop. This simple demonstration underscores Tkinter's ease of use for basic GUI development within the Python programming environment. A GUI is like a menu at a restaurant where the options are presented visually and you can click on them to place an order. Just like how a menu organizes different dishes into categories for easy browsing, a GUI organizes different functions and features into tabs and buttons for easy access. When you interact with a GUI, it's like selecting items from a menu and having them prepared for you by the kitchen staff. In this case, the computer processes the commands you input. Overall, a GUI simplifies the user experience by providing a visual interface that streamlines the interaction with a computer program, much like how a menu makes ordering food at a restaurant more convenient. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The restaurant menu class represents a restaurant menu where menu items are categorized into different sections like starters, main course, and desserts. It provides methods to add menu items to categories and display the menu. For example, you can add items like Caesar salad, spaghetti carbonara, and tiramisu to their respective categories and then display the menu to showcase the available options. The GUI class simulates a graphical user interface with tabs and functions. Tabs like Home and Settings can have associated functions like Open, Close, etc. The class allows adding tabs with functions and interacting with the GUI by executing specific functions. In this code snippet, the GUI instance is created with tabs and functions, and an interaction is simulated by executing the Open function in the Home tab. Overall, this code demonstrates a simplified representation of managing a restaurant menu and interacting with a GUI system, showcasing the basic functionalities of both concepts. Potential real-world applications include developing restaurant ordering systems with interactive interfaces and customizable menu options, or designing software with user-friendly GUIs for efficient user interaction and task execution. Graphical user interfaces, GUIs, play a significant role in various industries and real-world applications to enhance user experiences and streamline processes. 1. Point of sale, POS system. A common application of GUIs in the restaurant industry can be observed in point-of-sale POS systems. These systems utilize GUIs to provide an intuitive interface for restaurant staff to manage orders, process payments, and track inventory. Within a POS system, GUI elements can display menu items, allow servers to input customer orders, and facilitate communication between different sections of the restaurant, such as the kitchen and the front-of-house staff. 2. Manufacturing process control. GUIs are also widely used in industrial settings for controlling and monitoring complex manufacturing processes. By incorporating GUI interfaces into industrial control systems, operators can visualize real-time data from sensors, adjust machine settings, and track production metrics with ease. These interfaces enable operators to interact with machinery, input commands, and receive visual feedback on production statuses, ultimately improving efficiency and minimizing errors in the manufacturing process. Across the globe, graphical user interfaces (GUIs) continue to revolutionize how users interact with software applications, from restaurants optimizing their operations to manufacturing facilities enhancing their production processes. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.